Okay, in our previous session, we have seen regarding genomics, proteomics, different segments of genomics and proteomics, right? From in this session, we will see the transcriptomics. What exactly mean by transcriptomics? So transcriptomics is nothing but it is the study of complete set of transcripts which are in the cell, what is their quantity, and for what specific development stage and for what condition they are being produced. That is called as a transcriptomics. Right now, transcriptomics deals with the study of RNA in any of its form. Right, we know that from DNA, पेंट ओपन हुआ है ना स्क्रीन पे, फ्रॉम डीएनए
नहीं सर, स्लाइड शेयरिंग ऑफ हो गया।
from DNA, the central dogma of life is from DNA messenger RNA is generated, and from that messenger RNA protein are being generated, right? Protein are generated. Study of this whole DNA is called as what it called as? It called as genomics.
Genomics.
Study of this whole protein is called as proteomics.
Proteomics.
प्रोटियोमिक्स।
Now the topic which is left is study of RNA which are generated in our body, and study of this whole set of RNAs, not only messenger RNA, rRNA, tRNA also. Study of that is called as transcriptomics.
Mix.
As you can see in this diagram, that this DNA is a primary thing from which a protein is generated. This RNAs are link between this DNA and the protein. This RNA are of three type: rRNA, tRNA and mRNA. So इस RNA की स्टडी को ट्रांसक्रिप्टोमिक्स कहते हैं, एंड it is the most sensitive technique because RNA are generated in our cell whenever the cell is wanting to produce the protein from the DNA. So there is a very short segment of time. At that time, this messenger RNA are generated, and through rRNA and tRNA translation process occurred, and this messenger RNA is converted to the protein. So unless and until there is a condition of creating that protein, the messenger RNA will not be present in the cell. So there is a very short segment of time where these RNAs are available, right? So the technique which is used to identify this messenger RNA or this rRNA or this tRNA is called as a DNA microarray technology. Okay. I think you got what exactly mean by transcriptomics.
कैसे था हमारा